the Uber of manufacturing and logistics labor. And so this marketplace gives operators the ability to see opportunities from a variety of different manufacturers and distributors in their area or as they travel around the country, looking at those opportunities and to be able to use their skills and plug in and do that work for them. On the business side, there's a tremendous amount of data, analytics. Really, what we're trying to get them to do is understand their volume and let volume dictate what their needs are. This isn't replacing full-time employees, but it is building sort of experienced bench strength to support their full-time employees and to support the business taking that next big order, helping break a bottleneck on a work center, trying to figure out how to deal with summer seasonality and maybe smooth that out. Those are the kind of things that eat into their margins, tremendously impact lead time, which is a huge part of what's important to the end customer. I mean, everybody wants it their way and they want it yesterday. So
Right.
businesses have to figure out how to adapt and do that. And labor touches every single part of the business. So